Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Creston, local and long distance movers near me. To ensure a successful relocation to Creston, it's essential to enlist the services of a professional moving company. 3 Movers stands out as the ideal choice for your move, as we prioritize the satisfaction of our movers and go above and beyond to ensure a smooth and efficient process. You should hire us at 30 Movers for your Creston local move because we have the expertise and experience in handling all sorts of moves within and beyond Iowa. We've also been carrying out moves in the industry for years, and everything has been a success. We also have a track record to prove our experience and show how good we are at ensuring everything goes according to plan. When you're moving long distances, you might have a lot of belongings that you would like to move from your current location to your destination in Creston. To safely move your belongings, you'll need special machinery and equipment to aid your move. This unique equipment will cost you money, so if you would like to save money and have a successful move, you'll need to hire a company with specialized equipment to handle your move. Reach out to 3 Movers today. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Creston moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.